Happy Sunday, my darlings. Oh, it's Sunday. It's not Sunday without those bells. Those beautiful bells. Just, oh my God. My phone won't, it won't, what do you call it? It won't focus. There's some purple flowers. Oh, there were some purple flowers over here. But they're not there today. Isn't it funny? And all the way over there, that's the grapevine. I love to pick the grapes. I shouldn't say that because you never know who's watching. And, I'm sure that I shouldn't be picking the grapes. But they stay there till they turn to raisins. So nobody eats them. And I feel like it's such a waste of nature, They should be eaten. So I do eat them. But I shouldn't admit it. So I don't eat them. I don't eat them. Oh, those bells. These are things I will definitely miss if ever I have to part. Oh, it's so beautiful. I think every country should do that. They should encourage, places of worship to sound their bells, chant their bells, ring their bells, whatever. On Sundays like that. It's just like so nice. And it's all over. I mean, everywhere you go, they do the same thing. It's very French. It's a very French thing, these bells. And I love it. So there you go. Right. And it goes on for a while. And it was funny because I just opened the window and noticed what a beautiful day I was missing because it's late, I got up later and later and later and later. I don't know what that's all about, but so I was late and it won't focus. I don't know why. Why won't it focus? It's so bizarre. It just won't focus. You can't really see anything. Oh man. Come on, focus. Yeah, and there's a plane. Did I mention it's Sunday? It's so beautiful. I'm lucky in this moment. In this moment. Not every moment is a lucky moment, but this one is a lucky moment, and I am so grateful for it. I'm so thankful. I don't take it for granted. Not for a second. And you, my darling, how is it where you are? I hope it is as beautiful as this, at least, if not more beautiful. And I wish you a beautiful Sunday filled with sunshine or rain, whatever it is. Just beauty, because beauty is something you have to find it. You have to seek it. You find what you seek. Because my life may seem like a fairy tale to some people, but it's not. It's that I think I'm very good at seeking that which I find beautiful and highlighting that and just, minimizing those things that I don't think is so beautiful, you know? Yeah, that's the trick. That's the way to live. It's like, look, you can find the garbage and the graffiti and the this and the that if that's what your eyes see, or you can find the roses. It's up to you, my darlings. Anyway, I have to go. I've got to clean the apartment and see what else I can do. I have to write an article. And yeah, so take care. Bye.